Hi, it's Michelle Turner from Movement Lesson, and the following video is a video review that I'm doing. I have a private Facebook group. It's Movement Lesson for parents and practitioners. So whether you're a parent with concerns or you're a professional that you're continuing your learning to work with not only special needs kids but with everybody, gymnastics, athletes, I review videos for free but within a closed group. So you have to provide a video, and I'm going to give a review as to where I feel you need help with movement, vision, function. That's what I'm about. So here's the following video review. Please like or subscribe. That's how you keep updated on all my work. I have the largest library of working with the human body, and I would love your comments, but YouTube took them away because I'm a children's channel. So that's why I've moved a lot of my work over onto the Facebook group. I would love your participation, so I hope to see you in the group. Thanks, bye. Hi, it's Michelle from Movement Lesson, and when you're working with her, CVI is not just the only issue right now. I'm going to say right now it's more that she does not have binocular vision, meaning the eyes are not working together, and she does not have convergence. Okay, where you see this from, right? First of all, the slowness of her body. Now, I'm not talking about a cognitive slow, I'm talking slow, because she's mistaken that with balance. And kids don't move that slow because they have lack of balance. They actually need to move faster for lack of balance. And that's where, when a system that's a little bit impaired gets in trouble. The second thing is she does not cross midline whatsoever in any of her moves that you're showing. So if you watch, right, so she's here and she's coming back, right? The hands are quite splayed, meaning, again, she's worried about her positioning. She's not seeing anything from here, right? She's just going here, here, here. Again, she's going to go straight back. Now I can't do this because I'm going to go off the table, so I'm going to move up a little bit, but she'll go straight back, slowly go here. She's all the way down with her vision. Again, I'm not working the room. I can't look at this camera. I can't do anything. And she's coming back like this, and again, she's not making eye contact with anybody. She's not, normally you'd be like going like, oh, look what I just did, or those kind of, or just to see where they are in space. She's more here versus that and looking up. Then you have to do a lot of auditory stimulation, the kind of thing with the book. It's not that she sees something and she's going after it. So you're using auditory stimulation again, and for her to come up again, not crossing midline, hands splayed out, and then she's coming right down to corner of page like this. Again, not scanning, because that's crossing midline. So she's really not crossing any kind of, like this, how I get up, right? I'm crossing midline. That needs to be the first attack. We need to know that every part of her body can cross midline. Now, with Movement Lesson, I have a whole bunch of points. It's not just sternum. From the head, it's the nose, chin, sternum, pubic bone. From the side, we have the ears, shoulders, elbows, wrist, side of chest, hip trochanter, knee, and heels. And also in the back, now I have the tailbone. The whole spine needs to be able to cross midline, not go straight. So that's really the first plan of attack that I would go after. Is first we've got to get to cross midline, and then this is where you bring the vision. Her vision needs to start going. Right now, without her convergence and the way she's looking, I would say her vision's at about 18 inches, if that, 12 to 18 inches. Because she's just not looking long. When I look long, it's not that I'm looking at the camera, let's say I look past the camera, right? I'm looking long. There's a movement my head makes. It does not go back. Right? See how that shortens my visual field versus lengthening my visual field. And we need her visual field to go much longer, to go out and go beyond what she's seeing. So we need to cross the midline and then bring her vision out. Now, at first you might have to start here. Again, a very slow convergence. See if we can stimulate that convergence to come in and getting those eyes work together. I would definitely get another opinion on that. I don't think it's just CVI. I think it's acuity as well as CVI. And sometimes we do just have to get a second opinion. That's my plan of attack that I would start out with. But if we don't get midline crossings more efficient, or even at all on her body, but then more efficiently, every movement that she tries to make is going to be hampered because of even just feeding myself. I've got to cross midline with that wrist. So all of those kind of things need to be organized, and that with her vision. So I hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.